Hey guys, coming to you right now from a 2013 Montana. This unit is extremely clean, practically showroom condition. I mean, look at this carpet. There is not a stain anywhere on it. You got your electric fireplace, a televator, so there is a window behind there. You just flip the switch, TV goes down. Plenty of prep space there because there's tons of counter space in this coach. Pantry's not an issue here. You got pantries there, or you can use this right here as a pantry. But it also does have your washer dryer hookups, so it's not in the bedroom. Just, you know, a lot of people like that more. Come up over by the stairs, you do have the central vac system. More storage past the refrigerator. Of course, you always got the high storage for the stuff you wouldn't be using all the time. Come up the stairs there, you got a decent size walk-in shower, a little seat. A one-piece tub. Less maintenance with that. And of course your skylight. On this side is your toilet and a little sink, and then you got a medicine cabinet with some little cubby for some storage of whatever you would have. Coming into the bedroom, you do have another sink, storage under the sink, an additional medicine cabinet, flat screen TV, got some drawers, more storage, decent sized closet, and a king bed with storage on the side. You do have a second air unit here that was added from the factory. And towards the back of the coach there, it has the quiet air for the living room area. It is ducted, so you wouldn't have to use the rear air if you didn't, or the front air I should say, if you didn't want to, but it's there for the hot days. Today it's like 88 degrees and I wish both were on right now, but they're not. We got storage here underneath the sink. Freestanding chairs with a dinette. Nice windows to look out of. Gorgeous reclining couch. And a couch with a sleeper sofa. And of course your big windows looking out the back. And even more storage. And one of my favorites, the ceiling fan. Sitting on the recliner, you definitely have no neck-breaking view of the TV. And of course a nice view of the fireplace. Bear with me, I do not have the DJI with me today, so I am just using my phone. This coach is immaculate. I mean, if I didn't actually know the year because it's on paper, I would think that this is maybe a year old, if that. It was well taken care of. If it had bunks, this would definitely be a contender for us, but it does not. So it has everything we want but the bunks. This coach is priced right and it will go fast, and somebody's going to have themselves a beautiful, excellent coach to either put on property or take wherever they want. And yeah, it's going to be a pleasure selling this for somebody and making somebody else very happy. Any questions, comment below. I can give you links to the website that this coach will be listed on. And yeah, I'm gonna get out of here because it is very warm in here right now, and I don't want to get any more sweatier than I have to. Anyways, Comment below if you want to know more information about this coach. Until next time, happy trails.